If you want to reduce battery heat, charge your phone more slowly, or extend your battery's long-term health, turning off fast charging on your Samsung Galaxy is a simple process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable fast charging in just a few easy steps. Open the settings page. You can find it by tapping the gear-shaped icon on your home screen, app drawer, or by opening the quick panel and selecting settings. Next, scroll down and tap battery. This section contains all the important battery and charging options for your device. On the battery page, scroll to the bottom and tap charging settings. Here you'll find several charging features that control how your phone charges when connected to a charger. Now, you'll see options such as fast charging, super fast charging, and fast wireless charging. Simply tap the switch next to any feature you want to disable. Once the switch is turned off, your phone will charge at the standard charging speed instead of the faster mode. Keep in mind that disabling fast charging means your device will take longer to reach a full battery. However, many users prefer slower charging because it can produce less heat during charging and may help reduce battery wear over time, especially if you often charge your phone overnight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful Samsung tips and easy to follow tutorials.